Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure this router, the TP-Link 840N. This is the TP-Link. In this video we are going to do the configurations and how to sort it out to receive internet and extend, so it will be working as an access point. In this video you first put the AP on. As you can see, it's receiving power from the power adapter and Ethernet cable from the service provider of internet. As you can see, when it's not receiving internet, sometimes it shows red when it's not getting any internet at all. Then after connecting it to internet, it changes from red to green. Then what we are going to do, since it's giving internet on its default, now we are going to connect to the Wi-Fi of that router. You see, it's TP-Link and its model, the default model of it. Then you click on it. It will ask the password to connect and enter this TP-Link. So what you can do after being asked that, it's normal with the password. As you can see, this is the default password of it. It's the one you can do. Or if you would like to approach its page, the default page, we normally use this, the tplink wifi.net, or you scan this QR code so that you can access its page to do the configurations. Then you have to know the internet which goes into this TP-Link. It shouldn't go beyond 300 Mbps. Whenever you're doing that, like you have an internet provider which is going beyond 300 Mbps, that means it will make this router to hit and to misbehave in sending internet. So let's put the password like I told you. After putting in the password of this TP-Link, then you click connect. You see, it's showing connected to the internet. Then we first check if it's receiving internet. As you can see, you can connect to Wi-Fi. Let's just type like Roncom. See, it's sending internet very well and working very well. Then the next thing, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, try to subscribe to this channel for more tech videos. If you'd like to do any hotspot, like any configuration, anything, any equipment, like it's burdening you, this account can help you to do all the needful and all the configurations, the billing system of hotspot businesses, chaining these routers, installing them, configuring MikroTiks. We can help you out in all of the networking stuff. Then after that, then we are, when you check behind, like I had told you, we are normally given the address to use. There are different ways how you could approach this TP-Link. One, you can use this, like you type in tplink wifi.net, or when you're connected to Wi-Fi, you connected to Wi-Fi, you click on it. Sometimes you click on more settings. you can get an IP address. This is the IP address which you can put on the Google Chrome to do the configurations. Just leave alone about the subnet mask and the gateways. Just put this on Google, then it will open a page where you can do the configuration. But for now, let's use this for this video, the tplink wifi.net. Let's do that and we proceed with the other configurations. You go to Google or Chrome or any browser you'd like to use, then you type tplink wifi.net, like how they instructed us to use that. Then you see they are saying please select your preferred language. When they say this, we can go with English since it's the language we could use globally and even on this channel. Then we create the login password. Let's put like Loncom 2025, same thing, Loncom 20. Then we click start. We don't need to save since we are always using these forms. To do the configurations, as you can see, run the quick setup to manual config of your internet connection. Then we click next. The main issue of this video is to convert this router to be like an internet extender. So that means this router will be extending internet to larger coverage. So for now, let's select access point since we are going to use it as an access point to send internet. Then after that, we click next. Here, the wireless network name, it's the same thing. They are like asking for the password, no, the SSID of your Wi-Fi name. So for this point, let's give it the name of our Wi-Fi, which we are going to install this. Connect. This is the name we are using, like for the Wi-Fi. Then here it's on security. Security, we don't need the password. This is the password which was here, like when we are trying to enter this router. You can check it out. This is the password which you enter the moment you connect Wi-Fi to this router. Okay, now this password, we don't need to use it when we are connecting to Wi-Fi. So when you leave this password, that means the moment you connect a MikroTik, your password will not be the same. The page will always first bring the password before bringing the login page for the MikroTik. So it would be better to disable the security since the MikroTik is the one going to take the giving the IP addresses to this router and the restrictions to this internet. So that means no one can connect without the password of the MikroTik. So we click next. Then here they are giving us the IP address and the subnet mask, the same like how I've showed you before, entering or putting tplink.net. This was the IP address which is connected to this. You see, it's also LAN port connected to the DHCP. You see, if you give it static IP address, note that IP address parameters couldn't be configured if you've chosen smart. In this situation, the device will help you to configure the IP parameters automatically as you need. Get? So sometimes we normally leave it in this static IP mode. Here, the DHCP server, we normally disable it. If you don't disable this DHCP server, sometimes it keeps on backfiring this IP address towards the MikroTik. Yet we want the MikroTik to be the one responsible for sending IP addresses to this AP since we changed its mode to an access point. So here you can see we recommend you configure this AP with the same IP subnet mask but different IP address from your router. All AP. They are saying the router, the MikroTik is the router board which will be providing IP address to the AP. So this will be working as an access point. So it's the one will be getting configurations and the IPs from the MikroTik. Then here we proceed and click next. After clicking next, they are saying configurations, the setup, finish, please finish and continue. Since it's already configured, no security, working as an access point, like the main issue of this video. Or when we got the security already, it's not enabled. Now what we can do, we can click finish. Now the router is going to try to reboot. As this goes, the router will try to reboot. You see, it has rebooted. Now we have to wait for it to come back. As the process continues on the phone, you see, it's now showing it's back. Then you can use any phone, whether you're using like iPhone and all the stuff. If there is an as I told you, you can even scan the barcode behind the router, whether you're using a smart like an iPhone, iOS, or using an Android phone. Still you can do the needful. So that's it, guys. Let's check the Wi-Fi if it has been changed the name to the Wi-Fi name which we have connected. You see, it has already changed the name. See, it's getting IP address from the main router connected to the device, but they are saying it's already connected now and it's sending internet very well. Let's check it out. We check like Runcom. Don't forget to follow this account. It will always give you good content which you've been looking for the all the MikroTiks, access points, installations of hotspots, even teaching a lot of stuff, guys. So thank you for being with us all this long. As you can see, our AP is working very well. Let's try to check to put in the LAN port and see if it could send internet or receive internet. Let's put in the LAN port like how they said that they recommend us using the LAN port. Since it's getting internet from the service provider, it's not providing internet through the LAN port. So that means the first router you have to put in the one port so that it can work very well. As you can see, it has showed it's stable. So thank you guys. Subscribe to this channel for more tech videos.